Hey, what's up mga Airdrop and welcome back sa ating channel ang Crypto Whisperer PH. So for today's video guys is mag-update lang tayo kay GetGrass, which is isang DePIN project guys, no? So itong project na ito ay nag-list na noong October last year 2024 guys, and currently nagsimula ng kanilang Epoch 5 for their airdrop guys, no? So kung wala ka pa nito ay ituturo ko sa iyo kung paano mag-register at humabol sa kanilang airdrop guys, no? And kung meron ka naman is i-check mo ang inyong account, baka hindi na nakakonect ang inyong extension guys, no? So bago tayo magsimula, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe dito sa ating channel is mag-subscribe ka na para lagi kang updated sa ating mga feature, videos, and updates tungkol sa mga airdrop na kagaya nito guys, no? So proceed na nga tayo. So check mo na natin yung current price ni Grass token, kung worth it bang humabol dito guys, no? So kung i-check natin ang current price ng isang token niya ay 1.51 USDT guys, no? So nasa around 100 or 80 to 90 ganyan guys ang price ng token ni Grass ngayon, and currently nasa mababang price siya guys, no? So nag-peak siya, all time high yata ay 3.66 yan, $3.66 ang all-time high niya guys, no? And bagong-bago lang talaga to guys, no? So last year lang ito nag-list, and itong ginagrind natin ngayon is for their season 2 airdrop guys, no? So ikaw guys, gusto mo bang magkaroon ng kanilang token? Samahan mo tayo dito sa ating video para may turo ko sa iyo kung paano mag-register. So yung link guys is nandyan sa baba, i-click nyo na lang yan and madadirect kayo dito sa kanilang sign up page. So required lang, pwede kayong mag-direct na mag-register via Google Login or mag-manually input kayo ng inyong email, password, and referral code guys, no? So yung referral code ko is will be automatically added once you click my link and sa description guys, no? And then after that, we'll just click here on agree on terms and condition. This is very important guys, no? And this tab guys, this is an optional for those who wants to be updated for their products and promotions guys, no? And then pagkatapos nun, just click on this captcha, I'm not a bot, and prove yourself na hindi kayo bot guys, no? And after nun, just click register, and once you verified your account guys and email, you can now proceed to your dashboard, and ito ang inyong makikita guys, no? So currently you see welcome to Epoch 5, and kailangan nyo ng extension guys, no? So how to install and download their extension or application guys, no? For PC users, recommended to download itong Grass desktop app guys, no? Kasi 2 times ang bigay nito boost sa ating points guys, no? So lahat ng kanilang apps is makikita nyo dito sa store. So you'll just choose which one you would like to have. For mobile users, you can install this Google Chrome extension guys, no? Or this one community Grass node. So lahat yan may instructions naman. For desktop, you can click this one. For Windows, and then once you've clicked that, yan, mada-download nyo yan, and then install guys, no? So automatically you can install the app, and kapag na-download nyo na guys, mag-login lang kayo, and this is what would look like once nakapag-login na kayo. And just click this button guys, no? Once it's connected, you can just close it, and yan, we'll just run in through your background and just let that mine your points guys, no? So meron din naman dito mga instruction para sa pag-install ng kanilang application guys, no? And then for extension, you can just click this link, and makikita nyo guys itong Grass Lite node. So para dito sa Grass Lite node, kagaya nito guys is times 1 lang ang kanyang binibigay na points. So medyo mababa, pero pwede na yan guys, no? For mobile users. And for dito naman sa community node, community extension, so follow nyo na lang din yung instruction dito guys, no? So installation instruction, follow nyo na lang yan. So makikita nyo dito for rewards, currently nasa Epoch 5 na tayo guys, no? So kailan ba ang possible listing ni Grass? So kung titingnan natin yung last tokenomics nila is nagkaroon sila ng almost 9 epoch guys, no? So yung close alpha and yung 1 to 7, and then bonus epoch guys, no? So 9 seasons ang kanilang ginawa bago nag-launch ng airdrop guys, no? So kung masusunod ulit yung ganitong timeline guys, probably possible na mag-list sila around June or July guys, no? Sa kanilang airdrop season 2. So kung gusto nyo pang humabol ay nandyan na ang ating link sa baba guys, and sundan nyo na lang ang pag-install and run ng kanilang extension guys, no? So walang masamang humabol guys, importante is magkaroon kayo ng points for their airdrop guys, no? So for the eligibility, wala pa naman silang nilalabas, so wait na lang tayo sa further update. Kaya i-check out nyo na to guys, no? So magandang airdrop to, si grass airdrop guys, no? So kung nagustuhan mong ating video for today is don't forget to give it a like at mag-subscribe ka na rin para lagi kang updated sa ating mga future videos. So see you sa next video guys. Peace!